Wayland B strong here, and I am so excited because you are invited to one Accord Sabbath service this Saturday, January 31st, the last day of this first month of the year 2026. Join us at 3 p.m. in the community room of the Sycamore Place at 7300 West Dean Road as we gather in unity and expectation for a powerful time of food and fellowship, of worship and the Word, which will come from Genesis 1, verse 3, and Matthew 5:14. Our topic for discussion, be the light. In a world filled with uncertainty, God is calling his people to rise, shine as bright light in every dark place with hope, with help, with love, with truth. Come hungry for the Word, for correction, connection, and for community. All are welcome. Bring a friend. Let's gather. Let's grow. Let's be the light together.